Alright, this is a sacred cow tipper. We've had a critter still in our bird suet, and it smashed two of our bird feeders. So I had enough. I put this sucker out last night. I put a little bird food by the entrance, covered it with a tarp, and look what we got in the morning. We got Rocky, the rabid raccoon. I don't know, Lou, but would you like to have him? All right, let's bring him to the river. All right, buddy. Carry like that. This is getting squeezed so tight. It's alright. It's alright, Rocky. Get you free in a little bit. Look at all these nice trees. I think I should just give Lou here. Show him the river. Ooh, look at that hole in the tree, buddy. Hole in the tree. Right here? Should I bring him to the river?
Right there.
Oh, look at that. Got a hole in the tree, buddy. Alright. Got an old hanger here. I hope he doesn't come at either one of us. I don't think he will. This lever has to be up. And here we go. You ready, buddy? Okay. Oh. Oh. First time using it, just learning. Jeez. Gonna need my camera person to hold the wire while she's filming here. Just hold that so I can get it started. Okay. All right, buddy. You ready? Go ahead. Get out of there. Go. Go. He doesn't want to go now. Go. Come on, go. Go ahead, you're free. You're free, buddy. There you go. You can walk around, get him. It's okay, buddy. He's having a hard time on that bark, boy. Maybe we should let him go. It'd be terrible if he falls. Here, let's go. He's having a hard time, boy. He picked the wrong tree, I think. I don't know if he likes heights, Michelle. See you later, buddy. Michelle, I think he wants to come back down. Come on.